What is going on, guys? We have a gorgeous day today here in Michigan, so we are going to open up the garage, get the LeMans out, get it power washed, hopefully get the engine in the next few days. Got more parts coming today, so hopefully this gorgeous piece of Pontiac 400 can finally make its way into this rustic LeMans. But let's get these garage doors open and push this thing out of here. Because the main goal is to clear that.
And the rest of this just to dust over to,
Yeah, just to probably clean it up a little bit. Shouldn't be that bad though, really. I mean, should be a fairly quick process as long as
it comes off.
As long as it comes off. It's a freaking power washer though. And that's probably just Dawn in water.
Well, and something for, she had for cat floors or something.
Just a concoction of whatever's in the bottle. Solid. So what I don't get though is why this side is so gross when the leak was on.
And the transmission fluid might leak on this side.
Wouldn't that clean it? I mean, it's detergent.
Really.
Yeah, that's gross though. And that is just inches of grossness.
Can I be cleaning it?
Well, looks like the degreasing came out fairly well. The engine bay came out pretty freaking nice. I think we're gonna tear this thing apart, get the fenders off, paint everything back down. They'll end up really, really nice. The transmission, as you see here, I kind of started on that, getting that thing ready to go. See, I had my kids help a little bit. And I think we're onto something pretty nice with this thing too. This is a ST300, I do believe, but it's a 2-speed. So it should make a really interesting drive with the LeMans. If you guys like what you're seeing, please like, please subscribe. As always, have a good one, and I will see you on the road.